Hello and welcome to this video on 20 best digital marketing project ideas for beginners in 2023. In today's digital age, it's important for businesses to have a strong online presence to reach their target audience effectively. Digital marketing is a powerful tool to achieve this goal, and it offers endless possibilities for beginners to start their projects. So, whether you're just starting out in digital marketing or looking for new ideas to implement in your existing project, this video will give you 20 exciting project ideas to try in 2023. Number 1. Create a social media marketing plan. The first project idea is to create a social media marketing plan. This plan should include which social media platforms to use, what type of content to post, how often to post, and how to engage with your audience. You can use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts in advance and track your progress. Creating a social media marketing plan involves developing a comprehensive strategy to promote your brand, engage with your target audience, and achieve your marketing objectives through social media platforms. Here are some key components that you should consider including in your plan. Define your target audience. Identify who your ideal customers are and where they spend their time online. This will help you determine which social media platforms to focus on. Choose the right social media platforms. Based on your target audience and business goals, select the social media platforms that will help you reach your target audience. For example, if you are targeting a young audience, TikTok and Instagram might be good options, while LinkedIn is more suitable for B2B companies. Create a content strategy. Develop a content plan that aligns with your business goals and resonates with your target audience. This includes determining the type of content, text, images, videos, etc., and the frequency of posting. Set measurable goals. Determine your key performance indicators, KPIs, and set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Examples of KPIs include reach, engagement, conversion rates, and sales. Monitor and measure your performance. Use social media analytics tools to track your progress and measure the effectiveness of your social media marketing efforts. This will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Engage with your audience. Build relationships with your followers by responding to comments and messages, sharing user-generated content, and running contests or giveaways. Stay up to date with social media trends. Keep an eye on emerging social media trends and incorporate them into your strategy if relevant. For example, video content is becoming increasingly popular, so you might want to consider incorporating video into your content strategy. Schedule and automate posts. Use social media scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to save time and ensure that your content is posted consistently. Overall, creating a social media marketing plan requires a thoughtful and strategic approach that considers your target audience, business goals, and social media trends. By following these steps, you can develop a comprehensive plan that will help you achieve your marketing objectives and grow your business through social media. Number 2. Run a Facebook ad campaign. Facebook is the largest social media platform, and running a Facebook ad campaign is a great way to reach your target audience. You can choose from various ad formats like image, video, carousel, and more. You can also target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Running a Facebook ad campaign can be a highly effective way to reach your target audience and promote your business, products, or services. As the largest social media platform in the world, Facebook has an enormous reach and a diverse user base, which makes it an ideal platform to reach a broad audience. One of the biggest advantages of running a Facebook ad campaign is the variety of ad formats available. Facebook offers various ad formats, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Each format has its own unique benefits, depending on the type of content you want to promote and the specific goals of your campaign. Another advantage of running a Facebook ad campaign is the ability to target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Facebook's targeting options are incredibly detailed and allow you to target your ads to specific audiences based on factors like age, gender, location, education, job title, interests, behaviors, and more. This level of precision targeting ensures that your ads are seen by the right people, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. When creating a Facebook ad campaign, it's essential to define your goals and determine the key performance indicators, KPIs, you'll use to measure your success. Facebook's ad platform provides detailed metrics on ad performance, including clicks, impressions, reach, engagement, and conversions. These metrics will allow you to track your progress and make data-driven decisions about your ad campaigns. Overall, running a Facebook ad campaign can be a highly effective way to reach your target audience, promote your brand, and drive conversions. With its diverse ad formats and detailed targeting options, Facebook's ad platform is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Number 3. Build an email marketing campaign. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. You can create a newsletter or promotional emails to keep your subscribers engaged. Tools like MailChimp and Constant Contact can help you design and send professional-looking emails. An email marketing campaign involves sending targeted emails to a list of subscribers with the goal of promoting your products or services, building brand awareness, and generating leads or sales. Here are some additional tips to help you build a successful email marketing campaign. Build your email list. Start by collecting email addresses from interested prospects and customers. You can do this by adding a sign-up form to your website, offering a free lead magnet, or using social media to promote your newsletter. Segment your list. Once you have a list of subscribers, segment it based on factors such as demographics, behavior, and interests. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant messages that are more likely to resonate with your audience. Create engaging content. To keep your subscribers engaged, create content that is informative, educational, and entertaining. You can share blog posts, infographics, videos, and other types of content that align with your brand and provide value to your audience. Use a catchy subject line. The subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see, so make sure it is attention-grabbing and compelling. Avoid using spammy or salesy language and focus on providing a clear benefit or promise to your audience. Design your emails. Use a professional-looking email template and make sure your emails are visually appealing and easy to read. Use a clear call to action, CTA, to encourage your subscribers to take action, such as clicking a link or making a purchase. Test and optimize. To improve the effectiveness of your email marketing campaign, track your open and click-through rates and make changes as needed. Experiment with different subject lines, content types, and CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. By following these tips and using email marketing tools like MailChimp and Constant Contact, you can create a successful email marketing campaign that engages your audience, builds brand awareness, and drives conversions. Number 4. Optimize your website for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is essential to ensure your website appears at the top of search engine results pages. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords, optimize your meta tags, and build quality backlinks to your site. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a process of optimizing your website content and structure to make it easier for search engines like Google to crawl and understand your website. By doing this, your website can rank higher on search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant search queries, which can drive more traffic to your website. Here are some additional tips to optimize your website for SEO. Conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords for your website. These keywords should be relevant to your business, products or services, and should be included in your website's content. Optimize your meta tags. Meta tags are HTML tags that provide information about your web page to search engines. Your meta title and description tags should contain relevant keywords and accurately describe the content on the page. Build quality backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website. Building quality backlinks from reputable websites can improve your website's authority and help improve your search engine rankings. Some ways to build backlinks include creating valuable content that other websites will want to link to, guest blogging, and reaching out to other website owners to request backlinks. Use header tags. Header tags, H1, H2, H3, are HTML tags that indicate the importance of headings on your web page. Using header tags can help search engines better understand the structure and content of your website. Use alt text for images. Alt text is a description of an image that is used by search engines to understand what the image is about. Adding relevant alt text to your images can help improve your website's visibility on image search results pages. Improve site speed. Site speed is an important factor in SEO. Slow loading times can negatively impact your website's search engine rankings. You can improve your site speed by optimizing images, minifying code, and using a content delivery network, CDN. By following these SEO tips, you can help improve your website's visibility on search engine results pages and drive more traffic to your website. Number 5. Create a Google Ads campaign. Google Ads is an excellent platform to reach potential customers through paid search and display ads. You can target specific keywords and demographics, set a budget, and track your campaign's performance using Google Ads. Sure, let me expand more on creating a Google Ads campaign. When creating a Google Ads campaign, you first need to determine your advertising goals, such as increasing website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. Once you have your goals in mind, you can create your campaign by following these steps. Set up a Google Ads account. If you don't have a Google Ads account already, you'll need to sign up for one. You can do this by visiting the Google Ads website and clicking on the Start Now button. Follow the prompts to set up your account. Choose your campaign type. Google Ads offers several different types of campaigns, including search, display, shopping, and video. Choose the type that best aligns with your advertising goals. Set your campaign settings. You'll need to choose settings like your campaign name, budget, and bidding strategy. You can also set targeting options, such as location, language, and demographics. Create your ad groups. Within your campaign, you'll need to create ad groups, which are groups of ads that target specific keywords or themes. Each ad group should have a specific focus, such as a product or service you offer. Create your ads. Once you have your ad groups set up, you'll need to create your ads. Google Ads offers several different ad formats, including text ads, image ads, and video ads. Your ads should be compelling and relevant to the keywords you're targeting. Launch your campaign. After you've created your ads, you can launch your campaign and start reaching potential customers. Be sure to monitor your campaign's performance and make adjustments as needed. In addition to creating your campaign, you can also track its performance using Google Ads reporting tools. These tools allow you to see how many clicks and conversions your ads are generating, which keywords are driving the most traffic, and more. By regularly monitoring your campaign's performance, you can make informed decisions about how to optimize your ads for better results. Number 6. Develop a content marketing strategy. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and retain your target audience. You can create blogs, videos, infographics, and more to showcase your brand's expertise and build credibility. Number 7. Conduct a social media audit. A social media audit involves analyzing your social media account's performance and identifying areas of improvement. You can use tools like Sprout Social or SEMrush to track your metrics and gain insights into your audience's behavior. Number 8. Launch an influencer marketing campaign. Influencer marketing involves partnering with social media influencers to promote your brand or product. You can identify relevant influencers using tools like BuzzSumo or Hype Auditor and negotiate a deal to promote your product or service. Number 9. Host a webinar or online event. Hosting a webinar or online event is an excellent way to engage with your audience and provide them with valuable information.